A MoneyLion refund stays pending most of the time because the transaction is still being reviewed by your bank, or because the original payment hasn't fully cleared through the system yet. By the end of this, you'll know how to check your refund status, fix delays caused by your bank, and understand when a pending refund should actually update. Start by opening the MoneyLion app and checking the refund transaction details. If it shows pending, it means the refund hasn't fully processed yet on MoneyLion's side or your bank's side. Next, open your bank account and look for any matching incoming refund transaction. If it appears as pending there too, your bank is still processing it internally. Refunds can take time to move between MoneyLion and your bank depending on how the original payment was handled. Check if the original payment is still marked as completed or still processing. If the original transaction hasn't fully cleared, the refund will stay stuck in a pending state until it finishes. Next, confirm that your bank account is active and able to receive incoming transfers. If there are any restrictions, freezes, or verification holds on your account, refunds may not post correctly. Also check if you recently changed bank details or disconnected your account inside MoneyLion. That can delay or interrupt the refund routing process. If your bank connection is broken, reconnect your bank inside the MoneyLion app using your current login credentials. Avoid using saved or outdated banking information because that can cause another sync delay. Next, make sure your MoneyLion app is fully updated. Older versions can sometimes fail to refresh transaction statuses correctly. If the refund has been pending for a long time but your bank shows no incoming transaction, sign out of the app and sign back in. That forces a full refresh of your account data. Avoid repeatedly contacting support or reinitiating refund requests during the same pending period. That does not speed up processing and can sometimes slow down review systems. If the refund still hasn't updated after both MoneyLion and your bank show no issues, contact MoneyLion support. Provide your account email, refund amount, and the original transaction date. Those details help support trace the exact stage where the refund is stuck. To sum it up, check your refund status in MoneyLion, verify your bank's pending transactions, fix any broken bank connection, and wait for processing to complete. Next, open your bank app and confirm whether the refund is already pending on their side before taking any further action. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more MoneyLion tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.